So the thing that helped me learn how to start sewing straight lines with my sewing machine is I take line paper, like normal line paper. So on my sewing machine, I'm using stitch pattern number 1, and then I'm using the stitch length of number 1. Now, before we begin, this is very essential. Make sure that you don't have any thread, and make sure that your bobbin is not inside and not threaded. You want to not use any thread, nothing. So once you've got all that sorted, let's get started. So I'm just turning on my sewing machine, and I'm going to take my paper. So I'm going to take my paper like this, because I'm going to sew like straight like this. I will show you. So what I'm firstly doing is I'm going to put it there, then I'm going to put my lever down so that it can hold the paper. Using my hand wheel to go down so it can hold. So I'm going to do that. As you can see, I was kind of straight, but which is not bad because you kind of want to make sure you're consistently on the line. And that is how you practice sewing straight lines with just paper, you know. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up for me, you guys, and make sure you click that subscribe button if you want to know more about sewing.